Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a unboxing for my December Luxe Boxycharm. Well, Boxycharm is usually a monthly subscription. It comes in a smaller box where you pay $21.99 a month. But every 3 months, if you were to do the Boxy Luxe, you pay an additional, I believe, $28 to get the Boxy Luxe. So we're going to do that on today. You might hear some noise in the background. That's my daughter. I put her in her room, in her crib with some toys. So if you hear anything, usually that's her. So let's get right on to it. Okay, my first time opening my box. So when you first open it, it's like some bubble wrap, as you can see, some black bubble wrap. And then it has like an information card. And this quarter's theme for Boxycharm Luxe was whimsy. And on the back, it just says like what is all in the Boxy Luxe for this month and exactly how much everything's cost. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that I see is the rituals. It's called the Ritual of Sakura, and it is a sensational foaming shower gel. And here, I'm just going to read what it says on here. It says that it costs $9.50, okay. It gives your skin the gift of a new beginning with the foaming shower gel from the Ritual of Sakura, featuring the renewing scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk. It has a unique technology to transform the gel into a silky, soft cleansing foam. And it says lather up and luxuriate in the rich and fragrant foamy soap, taking a moment to slow down and renew your energy. Okay, let's see. Do you do that? It does smell perfumey, and then this is how it looks like after I began to rub it in. So I'm gonna have to give that a try. Hopefully it doesn't break me out, because usually really heavy perfume body things like shower gels or sometimes too strong body sprays breaks me out. So I'll give that a try and let y'all know exactly how that works. So that is $9.50. I'm gonna keep a tally on how much everything costs on my phone. So that one was $9.50. Okay, next thing I see is the Saturday Skin, and it is a Glacier water cream, if you can see. Saturday Skin, and the fragrance water foam, or waterfall, I'm sorry. Ooh, it looks real pretty. Oh my gosh, this is real cute, real cute. Now let me see what it says in my little handy dandy information card. This is an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. And this retails for $39 even. Okay, let's open it up and see what's going on here. It has like the little cover. Oh, it really doesn't have a, does it have a smell? It doesn't have like a smell to me. And this is like how it is. So it's real smooth. Okay, okay. It really doesn't have a fragrance. I'll be testing this one out and letting you know exactly how that works. And again, this retails for $39 even. All right, let me add that. Okay, the next thing I see is, if I can get it, is the Ciate Confetti Highlighter. Okay, let's open her up. Okay, look at the packaging. Okay, packaging. Ooh. This is what she looks like. Let me do a swatch. And I'm gonna put it on my hand, the back of my hand. Okay. This is how she looks. I'm gonna have to see how she does. Hopefully she isn't ashy for my skin tone, but it gives like a real nice golden glow. And she retails for $32. Okay, and it says that you can achieve a sun-kissed glow with Ciate London's Confetti Highlighter, featuring a mix of shades that have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. Okay, it's real pigmented. I mean, I ain't mad at it. And again, it retails for $32. We're gonna add that. Just gonna put her back in the package. Set her aside. Okay. Okay, the next thing I see is the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. And it is a waterproof liquid liner. And this is the packaging. And this retails for $20. Let me take it out. And this is how she's looking. Yes. This is it. And I'm gonna just do a line. Okay. Okay, she's black. She's black. Okay. I like it. And it says that experience effortless wing liner looks with an innovative eyeliner specially engineered for easy application on an eye shape, making Dagger Tattoo Liner ideal for all makeup junkies. Okay. All right. Oh, and the next thing I see is a Too Faced Melted Matte Talent. Get into it, get into it. Okay, and it's in the shade Faking It. And she retails at $21. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. This is a pretty color. And I love me a good nude. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh yes. I'm excited. Ooh. Smells like hot cocoa. Baby, make me eat it up. Okay. Oh. Do you see it? Oh my God. Yes. Yes, girl. Yes. And that was what, $21? Yes. That is a pretty color. Baby, put that with my MAC Chestnut lip liner and put this on it. Baby. Baby girl. But it kind of reminds me of one of my Fenty liquid lipsticks. And I think and unbutton, I think. I'm not sure. Okay, the next thing I see is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser right here, and it retails for $48. Okay, $48. And it says this gel cleanser for all skin types has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying, for soft, supple skin. Oh, it must have a protective barrier. Come up here squeezing, and baby, ain't nothing coming out. So it does have a protective thingy on it, so I'm not gonna open it just yet. Okay, but yeah, it's $48. Girl, get you some. I'm excited. Let's see, what's next? Okay, next thing I see is Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. And that retails at $32. The actual brand is In Beauty. And it says that this energizing face mist is the pick-me-up you need to get you through the day and night. And it has a special bi-phase formula, instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Get ready to power up. Ooh, it retails again for $32. So I'm gonna see how this does. It says it helps you glow, hydrate, and energize. So I'm gonna see exactly how that works whenever I come on here with a makeup tutorial, which will be soon. Actually, what's today? Sunday, December 29th. So I'm actually come back to you on New Year's Eve when I do my makeup, because I'm going out for New Year's Eve. This is my first time. It'll be my first time ever going out for New Year's Eve. So I have to record that. Okay, and the next thing I see is QMS, and it's a lip line corrector. Okay. Lip line corrector. Confused. Okay. And that's what it twists up. You see? And it has like the little spout. So let me read to you what it does. Formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. The high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Oh, girl. Baby, why does it cost $200? It's $200. Is that what we doing? $200. Okay. Like, if you don't believe me, look it. $200. $200. But I really don't need my lips plump. I'm blessed. But I'll take it. 200. Okay. Oh, and the last thing that I have in my box, as you can see, she's now empty, is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tale Little Briar Rose Palette. And this retails for, $55. And this is what she's looking like. I mean, isn't those colors so beautiful? Hold on. Sit her down since she's empty now. Like, look it. Like, it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shimmer or pressed pigment. Okay, I'm especially loving the color Grim. This color right here, it is so pretty. Girl, look it. Beautiful. Beautiful. So yes, girl. And this is everything that I've got in my box. And if I tallied everything up, the total for all of this was $456.50, which is well above the amount that you actually paid for it. So this is what $456.50 looks like in the beauty community. Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you so much, guys, for watching as I unboxed my December Luxe Boxycharm on today. So if you like videos like these or have any suggestions for me, go ahead and like and leave in the comment section things that you want to see here on my channel. Because I do have a get to know me video coming out soon, and also on Tuesday, like I stated before, I will be doing a New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. So make sure you stick around for that as well. So go ahead and subscribe, comment, like, share. Tell your friend to tell a friend to tell their friend to check out my channel and my videos. So, again, thank you so very much for being here with me today to look at my unboxing of my Boxycharm box. So, until next time, you guys, bye.